नमस्ते, गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल जी, वेलकम एवरीबॉडी। आज हम सर से सर के फेवरेट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। सर की एक फेवरेट लाइन है जो सर हमेशा कहते हैं, यू कैन प्रोड्यूस एनी रिजल्ट वेयर यू अप्लाई योर माइंड एंड माइंड इज सपोज टू बी अप्लाइड व्हेन देयर इज अ सिस्टम। तो सर ने योग के थ्रू सिस्टम सिखाया और वो इतने अच्छे से सिखाया कि अभी लाइफ का कोई भी पार्ट बिना सिस्टम बनाए नहीं चल सकता। सर, ओवर टू यू। इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ योग, इंपॉर्टेंस
एवरीवन,
ऑफ इन योग।
जैसे कि सचिन ने अभी बताया है कि मैं एक बात पर ही जोर देता हूँ कि ट्राई टू फॉलो ए सिस्टम. We get the result where we apply our mind. Mind is actually, what is mind? It is a thinking process. It is the ability of a person to feel self-consciousness and awareness. And it is a chain of thinking process. If we want to get the result at a place, we have to follow a system to make a system. And without system, we will be able to produce some result, but not that 100%. If you want to maximize, optimize your efforts, then you follow a system. Education is a system. Everything which is you see here, traffic rules and all, that is also a system. What is a system? System is to follow a predetermined course of action. What you determine that I will be doing, other will also be following the same thing, then it becomes a system. So without system, our efforts are put in more and output is less. What in scientific yoga, we have determined a few set of exercise in the system, we will be following that one only. Nothing left, nothing right. If we are going left and right, that we cannot record in our mind, in our thinking process. A thing which we repeat time and again, that become the part and parcel of our thinking process. If we have made a system, then the things will be very streamlined and easy to follow. That is why if you want to make a habit, you have to follow the same action every time. That is why when you repeat the thing 21 times, it start becoming your habit. Then it depends upon your interest and your curiosity to follow that action. Uh, some people get in the habit in 21 activities, some get in 100, some takes even 300. That is their interest in that particular thing. So in scientific yoga, we follow a system. The exercises are taught in a system. That is why you do just 3 minutes exercise, and I found that you can remain functional fit within your genetic limits.
Perfect. And then when sir teaches a system, it's absolutely perfect to the T. When sir says always get it from the left, now that's when we are training our mind to be aware that we are getting up and turn towards left. When sir says right leg up first, that is a system. So when we train our mind to follow a system, we can produce magical results. And my life is a testimony of it. I hope
You
you will start.
you can see the start their first step from the left. Everywhere they start from the left, right, and the drill you can see that how the discipline is maintained, and that is the system. Drill is a system. Our military training is a system. So similarly, I try to put this yoga in a very simple system so that everybody can take maximum benefit out of it. That is how I am utilizing my army experience in yoga, and that is how I've just made 3 minutes, which is producing wonderful result for everyone, not only for me, but those who are following it. They are also giving their very good feedback on this 3 minutes scientific yoga because it is an assist.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir, for teaching us the system and transforming our lives. I hope you are taking benefit of these 3-minute live uh, sessions with sir. If you have questions, please feel free to write to us. Yesterday, a couple of you wrote me some things and we have incorporated them. If you will keep writing, keep giving your feedback, I will keep including your questions in these question answer session with sir. Thank you so much. See you again tomorrow.